welcome and welcome back to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. For those of you that new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. In today's video, guys, I'm going to decorate my entryway. I moved here a couple months ago, and there's a lot of things that I want to do. And it's not because I cannot hire somebody, but I love to do my things by myself as much as possible. I know there's some people like that out there. So if you are somebody like that, so shout out to you. There's nothing wrong with that if you can hire somebody to do your work. There's nothing wrong with that. But me, I just love to do my things. Not only keep me like moving. Guys, I'm going my mid-40s right now. So keep me moving. And I take pleasure in my work because God gave me the talent. Why not use it? You know, so as of now, I'm working in my kitchen, and this video gonna come very, very soon, guys. And yeah, so for now, I'm going to work in my entryway. So guys, make sure to watch the video till the end to see how I transform my entryway. I didn't do nothing drastic, but guys, it felt good when you come into your clean home, and after a long day of work, yes, make a big difference. So some people don't like flowers. If you don't, that by all means you can put greenery, but I didn't have the greenery and I didn't feel like buying anything right now at this moment. I might in the future, but at this moment I didn't want to buy anything because I'm living on a tight budget and I want to use everything I have as much as possible, but and still want my home to look extremely beautiful. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to give you some ideas if you have a small entryway, so how you can maximize it, make it look nice and on a budget, because my channel, guys, I decorate my home without breaking the bank. If you want your home look luxuriously beautiful on a budget, this video is definitely for you. Okay guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video and keep on watching. Okay guys, this is my entryway. Today I'm going to clean the windows, the doors. Since I moved here, I haven't done anything yet in the front entrance. And today's the day I'm going to decorate it. My son volunteered to help me clean the windows. And as you can see, guys, you know, it's a two-story home. I have to use a ladder just to get into the windows that is upstairs. And this video, guys, is in collaboration with VEVOR that sent me this ladder. It's a 12.5 feet aluminum one button with track collapse extension ladder, and it can hold up 375 pounds. And guys, you can extend it. It's gonna make it to 12.5 feet. And guys, you can choose to use it the way you want it. As you can see, the way it was first, and right now my son is extending it just to reach the top of the windows. And guys, I'm 195 pounds, guys. I'm pretty heavy. It's no problem for me to climb on it, but my son wanted to clean the window for me today, so I let him. And guys, if you want a ladder, this one can be an option. And I don't know how long it's gonna last me, but for now, I needed something to clean the window. It was the perfect timing. They reached out to me and offered me this ladder, and I was so happy they did. And as you can see, guys, the quality of the material is good. It's aluminum. And guys, if you decide to buy one of them, it's gonna come in the package like this. I do a lot of manual work, guys. Having a ladder is a must. And this one can reach up to 12.5 feet. And guys, as you can see inside the box, it's super easy to put together, guys. You can extend it up to 12.5 feet. And guys, has a manual instruction. It's one button with traction collapsible extension ladder. If you're on the market for a ladder, guys, this one can be a good option. The link will be in the description box down below. Feel free to check them out. And guys, for somebody with quiet weight like me, this one is very helpful because it can hold up to 375 pounds capacity. with non-slip fit, portable, multi-purpose, and compact ladder, guys. And for me to be able to store it, it doesn't take no space. I like it so much for that. And as you can see, the button, guys, it's one button retraction collapsible and easy for you to store. Make sure to check the link down below if you are looking for something like this. I already have 3 ladders at home, guys, but this one is the only one that I can store super easy. And guys, I can reach the top of my windows in my second story, and guys, it's easy to store. As you can see, I really like it. Make sure to check the box down below if you're looking for a ladder like this. All right, guys, moving on to cleaning the doors and the wall. And guys, I like to put bleach whenever I'm cleaning. And for those of you that don't like bleach, by all means, but me, that's what I like. Even I spray the doors, I always like some type of bleach just to kill some germs, because I have kids and I have other people that come into my home, and when they touching the doors, the handles, and all those things, it's super I don't know, I like to clean my home in certain ways. So guys, it's not for everybody, but me, that's what I like. And for my mopping, I use different pad, one for the wall and one for the floor. And I always try to clean the floor first. After I'm mopping, I wash the bucket, and whenever I'm cleaning the floor, I always clean the wall first, and so I don't carry germ over. And guys, I really like it to clean like that. Not only it saved me a lot of time, and guys, and my home is very clean, my wall is very clean, and I paint too when whatever the cloth cannot remove, whatever the bleach cannot remove, I paint it. And guys, I don't wait to paint to paint the full house. I always paint as I go, because like that I don't have to paint that take couple days hire like a painter to paint the whole house. Whenever there's little spot, I just paint it, and then that's it. So that's the way I like to do it. If you see, guys, in my previous home that I live, I stay in the home for 3 years, and I never have to just do a big painting. And when I moved out, the house was better than I was moving in. And guys, that's just the way I do, just to help me keep the house clean while I enjoying the cleanness, and the house is clean. As you can see, the bottom of the door, it's not easy to see. And guys, this is my nephew that did that. I'm not going to paint the door in this video, but I'm definitely gonna paint the bottom because it's not pretty at all. And guys, the grout need to be clean before I can paint, because I don't want to take too much time. You can do it the other way, but me, I like to do it this way, clean and then paint, because the way I paint, the way I'm going to paint the bottom is not going to affect me. Right now, as you can see, I'm changing the pad just to clean the floor, to mop the floor. So the first I use is to clean the wall, and the second one is to clean the floor. And I didn't use painted tape because I'm pretty good at painting like that, and I'm not going to mess up the tile. I'm not going to mess up anything, guys. But if you're not comfortable of painting, I highly recommend you use painted tape. But me, I'm so comfortable painting like that. It's not a big deal for me. And as you can see, I'm already done painting the bottom, and it's better than the way it was. And guys, I don't have an entryway just for me to put a sideboard or to put like console table, but this, it's all I have. I'm going to use it just to make the front entrance pretty. We are in Valentine's season and spring coming up soon, but I wanted something a neutral decor where I don't have to change it like next week or something like that, because Valentine is this week. I don't want to do a decor that I'm going to undo, because I'm not going to have the time, because I'm going to work. And guys, yes, I work full time. So this time I want to do a decor that gonna last me at least for a couple days or weeks. Not too much, but you know, and I'm just gonna add little Valentine decor. Not too much, but it can stay throughout the year if you don't want to decorate only for one occasion. That's what I have so far. And those vases, I get them from Burlington, and I really like it. It's so tall. I wish the opening was larger, but that's what I have for the price. It was $39.99, and I like it. And I'm thinking about changing the color and do it gold. I'm not sure, but as of for now, I'm loving the black, and I'm going to put it this way. And guys, for some people that don't like too much flowers, in your front entrance you can always add greenery. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I don't have greenery to put right now because I don't want to buy anything, but this what I have, and I'm going to keep it this way just to make my front entrance look nicer. You know guys, I always change my home decor. I'm definitely going to change it, adding some greenery, but as of for now, that's all I'm going to have there. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you.
When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.
And the flowers in the front entrance are so nice. I'm going to give you a closer look for you to see how pretty they are. I'm going to trim them, make them nicer, but it's gonna be for another video. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.